My name is Saiteja from ECC section. Today my topic is an energy efficient programmable mixed signal processing application. Introduction. Emerging applications such as in healthcare, surveillance, monitoring and other leverage and decision making capability based on machine learning algorithms. This algorithm has demanded high computing capability to process large volume of data with limited energy budget. In order to improve energy efficiency, research has proposed analogy mixed signal accelerator. They rely on small signal computation which is less precious but more energy efficient than traditional large signal computation in digital domain. Therefore, they are suitable for ML interference where the application itself is tolerant to such impressive. However, this accelerator lack of programmable architecture, instruction set, or compiler support necessary for supporting high-level programming language. Moreover, the small signal computing create energy versus accuracy. Trade-off the most must be controlled from the application level in order to ensure the accurate goals are met. Designing hardware architecture and instruction set support to expose the high available hardware knobs to software in controllable way to require careful hardware ISA and software design. ML algorithm Yj equal to f of d of wj comma x equal to f sigma I equal to 1 to n d of w of j of I comma x of I. The ML algorithm involves repeated vector display compilation denoted by w of wj d of wj and x between n dimensional input vector x and weight vector w. Commonly used VD computation include the dot product, L1 distance and L2 distance and Hamming distance. This ML algorithm have the following three data flow property in common. A single VD is obtained by first computing n element wise scalar distance followed by aggregative steps such as sum aggregator and the final scalar. The VD between a single query vector x and multiplying weighing vectors needed to compute the VD goes through a simple decision function such as a sigmoid or ReLU to regenerate the decision Yj. The mixed signal ML accelerator. The compute memory deeply embeds energy efficient analogy computation into the periphery of conventional bit cell array. More specifically, CM stores a b-bit word in column major format wherever conventional memory does in row major format. After VLS are pre-charged to VPRE for a read scales. CM simultaneously accelerate BW word lengths. This duration of these accelerant WLs are proportional to the binary weight values of corresponding bit position in a given bit word with the binary pulse width modulating VL signal scheme. Subsequently, each BL develops a voltage drop proportional to a binary width sum of B bit in corresponding column with constant. The first processing stage of CM energy reader cannot only seamlessly convert digital values stored in memory into a analogy values for subsequent analog computation stage but also which highly considered bit information per BL, significantly improving the energy efficiency and throughput. For ML algorithm, CM stores pre-trained WJ in its bit cell. It can serve as a very energy efficient mixed signal ML accelerator with the following stage: energy, scalar distance, implemented scalar distance computing right next to the bit cell array and subsequent energy vector distance performing the aggregation by simple charge sharing all the energy output from AHD blocks into one shot. Analogy to digital conversion convert the energy output of a VD into a digital word and S4 threshold TH, generating a final decision from the digital word based on the given decision function. Note the ASD stage can support scalar compression, multiplication, subtraction, addition, and absolute computation using column pitch matched analogy circuitry, but the ADC and TH stage consume negligible portion of total energy as they operate infrequently once after greater than 120 at ASD operation. It has been shown that CM offers significantly lower energy consumption and the delay than digital ML accelerator at the expense of limited reconfigurability. Furthermore, the absence of an instruction set limits to use a short sequence of operation with a single computation kernel, signal memory bank, and fixed parameters such as vector length. Promise architecture. Signal bank architecture promise in built a CM where the standard SRAM reads and write functionalities are preserved for the additional flexibility, along with S1 A reader, S2 ASD and AVD, S3 ADC, and S4 TH described in section 2. Promise compromise exercise and control to transform CM into programmable mixed signal accelerator that detailed specification in as follow. A promise bank consists of 256 columns and 8-bit word in distributed across 4 consecutive rows and 2 neighboring columns with store 4-bit MSB and 4-bit LSB to enclose linearity through a sub-ranked read technique that is a read out a 28 elements vector of digital values and seamlessly convert it to the analogy value. Further, a read can simultaneously perform element wise addition or subtraction with x, a 128 element a vector representing the input operand for interference in ASD and AVD are architectured to perform operations on 128 analogy value. ADC consists of 8-bit ADCs where operate in parallel. Note that AVD output of each bank is digitized by this ADC to prevent the noise from analogy operation accumulating over the iterations. The digital also enabled to multiple bank architecture where reliable data transfer between banks are required. One of the ADC operator just once per AVD operation for a 128 element vector computed thereby amortizing the ADC energy across multiple arithmetic operations. TH implements nonlinear operations such as sigmoid not only to compute the decision function but also to aggregate intermediate computed value when the vector length n is larger than 128. Lastly, Xreg is digital block similar to a vector registration file holding a 128 element vector representing 8x values. Control it controller to regenerate enable signals. For the aforementioned component based on the given instruction and make CM function as programmable mixed signal accelerator, promise can be extended to multi-bank structure with the multiple pages such as including 4 banks. This how vectors can be distributed across multiple banks from the parallel processing. Code generation shows the promise compiler pipeline for Julia. There are 3 parts: front end to map Julia application to the IR, energy optimization on IR, and the back end to translate the IR to compromise ISA and IR energy optimization. And back end are all designed to be independent of the source level, designed to make it easily external to other languages or DSL. Front end, we choose Julia as the source language because it able to use easily identify pattern of complete computation and can be uploaded to promises. And Julia also supports several ML libraries. The Julia frontend translate application to LLVM, IR, and the promises pass run over each other. LLVM function and use pattern matching to identify computation that can be uploaded to promise. Backend. The backend of the compiler translates the LLVM IR to promise ISA by matching each computation to an appropriate task. This involves two parts: compile time code generation for class 1 to 4 and computing the OP param RPT-num multibank field at runtime and passing them to promise runtime, which runtime and hosts and launches the task. Conclusion. This paper presents promise the first end-to-end design of programmable mixed signal accelerator for diverse ML algorithm. Promise accomplish a large level of programmability without losing the benefit of mixed signal accelerator for a class of ML algorithm over digital ASIUS. Thank you.